Have you read the preamble of India? We the people of India. In the present time it can be counted as we the emotional fools of India. The real we are. Yes, we are emotional, just emotional fools. लिपट जाता हूँ माँ से तो मौसी मुस्कुराती है, मैं उर्दू में लिखता हूँ तो हिंदी मुस्कुराती है। उछलते कूदते बचपन में बेटा ढूंढती होगी, तभी तो पोते को देखकर दादी मुस्कुराती है। बड़ा सुकून मिलता होगा माँ बाप को जब ससुराल से घर आकर उनकी बेटी मुस्कुराती है। बड़ा गहरा नाता है सियासत का तबाही से, बड़ा गहरा नाता है सियासत का तबाही से। कोई भी शहर जलता है तो दिल्ली मुस्कुराती है, कोई भी शहर जलता है तो दिल्ली मुस्कुराती है। जय बुंदेलखंड दोस्तों। Everyone is here to fulfill their own perspective needs. No one cares about nation, no one cares about society, no one cares about their colleagues or even family. All are silent as statues. No grumbling, no mumbling, just scrolling and passing the day. There are many more ideas, many more big issues in the country to be raised. Politicians are dumb, and the more bigger dumb are we, the people who elect them, continuously for the ages, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years and more, so on. Have you read the preamble of India? We the people of India. In the present time it can be counted as we the emotional fools of India. The real we are. Yes, we are emotional, just emotional fools that are educated by the companies and private firms and politicians. The hot age peoples, peak age peoples are busy in filling government exams, government forms and race of government, any 4th class post and 3rd class post. Bureaucrats are busy looking the boots of politicians, and politicians are busy in looking money. The thing is that we have to develop intolerance in our beliefs. Why do we not ask the person who is elected in our constituency after all 5 years, every 5 years, what you have done in the prospective state or prospective area for peoples? One thing I tell my friends, there are no shortage, there is no shortage to be born as Bhagat Singh or Chandrasekhar Azad. Every day in our country, one Bhagat Singh and one Chandrasekhar Azad is being born by birth or by mind. But people divide in them as right-wing people or left-wing people or liberal, etc. And their soul dies. Their soul is being mobbed by the guilties. They even do good things, but the main centric of society face them as a black widowed people. Why we can't start a change in society? Does our work is only to being fooled every 5 years or 10 years in the name of religion, caste and racism? What is religion? What is religion? Tell me the answer. Religion is from you or you are from religion? What is caste? These are just the boundaries to provoke you to meet the equality and to ensure the real meaning of life and your responsibilities towards the country. What PM is doing? Nothing. US President is ensuring the all taxes in India, making our country weak, and media is busy in making the India far better than Pakistan and Bangladesh. Are we only capable to grade ourselves between Pakistan and Bangladesh? Are we not capable to count ourselves in the race of China and other developed countries? We are not capable. See the GDP and system in China. See the GDP system in European countries, in America, in Modi's beloved Italy, in Russia, what they are dealing with, what their population is dealing with, what their people living, the lavish lives, with no occupancy, no media, no foolish media, No north and south, no caste system, no language barriers. The last is the 70s people who are living, senior peoples, are going to be black shadows in this country. In coming years, they will not be part of the nations. The part of the nations are you, the young people, 20s, 30s people, who they are busy with in scrolling the reels. Please don't do that. We are only the last hope of our nation. That can be underlined in the issues. Please raise the real problems. Poor has been poor. Please. India is the only country. Please. Just think. Your children's like are now is a present time 5 to 10 years. In coming 15 years or 20 years. Please don't overshadow with them to the carpet of religion. Please. Tell them equality.